lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down in the comments how your day is going. Mine's doing fantastic because we have the Ipsy verse Ipsy. So if you don't know what this is, what I do is I go by my profile, which now I'm 43. So I say I'm 43, I have dark hair, I have blue eyes, I'm light complected, and I'm very comfortable with makeup. And then I go by my 25-year-old profile and I do the complete opposite. I say I have red hair, brown eyes. I still say I'm light complected just in case I get like a foundation or a concealer. That way it does match me. And I say I'm not that comfortable with color because I want to see, does Ipsy go by their profile? So they really look into your profiles. So let's just see if this month that's what they did. All right, so what I usually do is, it's so funny. So they always bill me on the first of every month, but I'll always get one like the first week of the month, and then the next, like the other one I just got today. So I always have to wait for both of them to come in to do the unbagging. So these are $10 a month, and they do have an upgrade now that you can get Ipsy Glam Plus, which is $25 a month, and that is 5 full-size items. This here is 5. It could be sample, deluxe sample, and once in a while you do get full-size items for 10 bucks. This is definitely one of my top 3 subscriptions. I think Ipsy hits it out of the park almost every month, so I really do enjoy it. All right, so this is my... what is this? This is my 43-year-old profile, but I believe since I just turned 43 a couple weeks ago, I think this is still my 42-year-old profile. So let's see. Remember, I'm dark hair. I think I said I have black hair, blue eyes, light complected. I'm very comfortable with makeup. All right, I'm sure there's nothing. Oh, there is something in the bag. All right, so this is what the bag looks like this month. So very nice. What are these? Lemons right there. So nice and colorful for the summer. Does it have Ipsy on here? Yeah. So right here it says Ipsy right there. All right. What is in here? So we have a brush, which I love brushes. When you review your bag every month, if you don't review your bag, you should definitely review your bag every month and write down there. So I always put right underneath my brush, I put where you can write, I say, I want a tool every month, or I want a brush every month. So we have this right here. This is, what you be? What are you? See the name on here. Oh, Vasanti. So this is like a small blending brush right there. So I love getting brushes. All right, so let's open her up. All right, so, okay, here's the card. All right, it says build your dream bag. Get any glam bag product you want each month. On the 2nd, starting at 6 a.m., you have the chance to do add-ons when whatever deluxe samples or full-size products you like. Mark your calendar and create your ultimate beauty stash. All right, now in season, fresh spring beauty. So I guess that is the theme for this month. All right, and this tells you, now they're starting to tell you what everything that you get. All right, so that Vasanti Cosmetics, what is that? It's a contour eyeshadow blended out brush. All right. The next thing I got, what is this? This is a face cleanser from Atlantic. Am I saying that right? Right there. And this looks like a deluxe size. And I always say I like getting cleansers. So this is from Mayplum Face Cleanser. It says, with roots in Tel Aviv, Israel, Malplum, let's see what it says. Draws from the location's vibrant, lush lifestyle, enriched with rosemary, jojoba, and argan oil. This gentle cleanser soothes, tones, and revitalizes your skin. Plus, the jasmine and cedarwood scent is refreshing, not overbearing. So let's see. So it has a I can smell that cedarwood. It has a safety seal on there, so I'm not going to open it right now, but I love getting face cleansers. Okay, so far I like everything. This is, oh, by Tarte, Double Duty Beauty. What is this? Base tape. So I guess this is a primer right there. Can you see? What is this? Okay, so this is a hydrating primer. So that's good. I've never tried this. I mean, look at this. For $10, guys, you got Tarte in here. You get a brush. All right, so this is from the Balm. So a liquid lipstick right there. And where you be? So this is a creamy lip stain in Namaste, if I'm saying that right. So let's see. So it's a doe foot applicator right there. Oh, that's a pretty color. Doesn't have a scent. So there we go. Did it say lip stain? Yeah, it's a lip stain. So it's not really a liquid lip or anything. It's just something to put right on your lips to give it some kind of color. All right. And last but not least is this It Bye Bye Under Eye in the shade 13. This is light natural. Right there. And what does it say? Yeah, just the under eye concealer. All right, so that's good. I have tried this before. It's a little thick for me, but I don't know if I'll try it again or put it in a giveaway. So we got, for my 42-year-old profile, we got the It Cosmetics concealer. We have a lip stain. We have a face cleanser. We have Tarte primer. And we have the Falsenti eye brush. All right, so let's see now. And so do you think it went by my profile? It's more, I think it did. I don't know. The color's really pretty. Let's just see what the 25 profile is. Remember, so I have red hair, brown eyes, light complected, and not that comfortable with makeup. Well, that's weird. I have 2 bags in here. What the? That's weird. So this is what was in my bag. All right, so the first thing is this Firma Beauty. So another brush. So this is an angled brush. You can use this for anything, for contour, for bronzer, for blush, anything that you want. That is so weird. Okay, did I get the same products? Let's see. Let's open her up. Yes, it's the exact same bag. Oh my God. So I guess we're going to have a giveaway. How exciting is that? All right, so we have the same thing. Let's see the card. Let me open the card. Same bag. Well, I've never had that happen before. Well, that's exciting. All right, so the first thing is from Tony Moly. This is a Peach Punch Sweet Foam Cleanser. We got a Hikari. What is this? This is a Cream Pigment and Honeydew. I don't think I'm going to open that up because I know I probably won't use this. So that's that. Now this is, oh, because of the brush. So, but did I get 2 brushes? No, I only got 1 brush. I wish I would have got 2 brushes. So I got the Tarte primer. Focus. All right, so we got the Tarte primer. And I have another, the Balm lipstick in the shade Kana Chavia. I don't know what the heck that is, but I'll swatch that. Oh, that's really pretty. So it is this one right there. It's a lip stain. Okay. So that's pretty cool. And then it's the same thing in here with, it's the 4 products. So let's do a giveaway on here. Okay, so here we go. We have the Hikari thingamajiggy. We have the lip stain right there. We have the Tarte primer. We have the Tony Moly face cleanser. So what else will I put in the other bag? I'll put this blending brush in there, so that way you get 5 things. So that will be, you'll have your own little Ipsy bag to try out. And I'll throw a few more things in here that I have laying around that's small that will fit in this bag. So this is surprising. I wasn't expecting this or to do a giveaway. So let's look at the calendar real quick. Like I said, I wasn't expecting to do this. All right. Today is, oh geez, it's going to take a while. Look, my Wi-Fi's moving slow. All right. Today is the 17th. So let's do April 30th is the last day. So we have until April 30th if you want to sign up, and then on May 1st, I will pick a winner. I'll do a comment picker. The only thing you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment. Let me know, and all you have to do is let me know, did this ever happen to you before? Did you ever get 2 surprise Ipsies? Just put yes or no. Then I know you watched the whole video, and that's everything. If you're wondering what is on my eyes, I am wearing the Just My Luck Palette Color Pop. And let me tell you the shades that I'm wearing. All right, so I started out with this shade here as my what do you call that? Oh, I can't think of the name, you know, as my blending shade. I don't know. Then I went in with this shade right here. And then I went in a little bit deeper, and then I did the dark brown. And I have this right here on my eyes, and this right here on, this one here on top. That's what is on my eyes. So that's everything, guys. Good luck to you. And like I said, don't forget to comment, watch the whole video. And make sure you like the video. And as always, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.